What's up YouTube, it's Ryan from the MXG channel and AOMC, and today is going to be one of those videos where I eat my words, where I tell you guys that I was wrong. Today I'm going to show you the 2023 Husqvarna FC350 Heritage Edition. Here it is. Boom. Now, when I did my last video on these bikes, when I saw the picture of these on the internet, I was just like, blah. I thought it looked okay. It was nothing special. I'm 36. I wasn't around during Husqvarna's heyday era of the 70s and 80s. This scheme specifically, I believe, is from 1983. So this stuff doesn't have the nostalgia factor that to me that it might have to some of you older cats out there who grew up with these bikes out on the track. So I was like, so. However, once I saw one of these in person, I was like, man, this is cool. I love the look, and I'm about to tell you why. So mechanically, really nothing different. We'll get into the only different hard part on it in a second, but let's start out with the most obvious, which are the graphics. So this is all embossed except for this FC350 sticker. Front fender's embossed. Even the front number plate is embossed. So those are really cool. If I had this bike, I'd probably take those off and put them up. Now this bike does come with the slotted airbox, which it does come with like a sticker for right there, I believe. I'm not sure if that's embossed on the slotted airbox or not, but that stripe does look pretty cool. To go with that, you have the blue seat. I really like this color of blue. It's a little lighter than this blue. May not look like it to you guys, but here with my eyes I can see it, and I really like the blue and the kind of like, it's not really a ribbing, but it's like it's got like raised pieces on the back of the seat here for grip. Pretty cool. Love the look. Now, what's my favorite thing about this bike? It's this white frame. I think that's kind of what has been holding Husky back with the regular models. They won't get away from that blue frame. It's a beautiful metallic blue frame on the stock models, especially in the sunlight, and that blue frame is a throwback to the Swedish heritage of the brand that they do not want to get away from. However, that blue frame doesn't lead you to very many options for customizing these bikes. You pretty much have to stay somewhere close to a stock scheme. However, this white frame, although it might be a monster to keep clean and looking good, when it's clean and new, it looks awesome. And with this white frame, you're going to have endless possibilities for graphics and plastic schemes. You know, you can do a sweet looking gray, a black, a white, a high vis. You're gonna be able to do graphics any color you want, and you're not gonna have that dark blue to throw it off. So if I was buying a Husky right now, brand new, I would just go ahead and get a Heritage Edition, because I'm probably going to hang these plastics on my wall anyway, at least shortly after a few rides, and that white frame gives you the option to make the bike look however you want. You could put bike plastics on it and orange graphics and make it look like a cool KTM that's shaped differently if you would like. So I dig it. Now, the only part on the bike that's going to be different hardware wise are the wheels. This bike comes with the Excel wheels, so you know, whatever, maybe they're a little bit better. Either way, it's pretty sweet. Now, I have heard a few people talk about the frame guards. They think the frame guards right here being black kind of ruin the white frame. I mean, I'm glad they include them. I'd rather have them on there as protection. It would be cool if you could get these. I don't think you can get these in white that I know of. It'd be really cool if you could get these in white, or maybe just in the same blue. It would look a little better than that black, I think. Like I said, guys, this is a model sticker right here. On a lot of dealers, you'll see them put that sticker here. Really doesn't matter. We wanted to do something a little different at our dealership, so we put the stickers, at least this year, we've been putting them right here on the shroud. Obviously, Pro Taper bars. I've done tons of videos with the new stuff for this year. Completely new machine. You know, map switch, traction control, quick shift, New start stop button integrated into one housing, new radiator cap. I mean, brand new bike, guys. New frame, new engine, new seat. Looks absolutely stunning. I believe this is going to be available in all the new gens, which are the race bikes. So that's going to be like FX, FC, TC, TX, all those bikes as far as I'm aware. Maybe somebody can correct me if I'm not 100% on that. One thing I'd like to tell you guys, if you already have these new generations and you're looking for a skid plate, they've been kind of hard to find. I don't think a Chair Beast has theirs out yet, or any aftermarkets like that. The KTM one is on back order until December. P3 Carbon is about to have one of these available. They have one of our FC350s over there right now, getting it fitted up for their new plate, and you're gonna be able to snag those on aomc.mx, and you can use coupon code MXGuru to save 10%. So if the plate listing is not up now, it should be up any day, and I'll try to put a link down below. If not, just go to aomc.mx and search 2023 350 skid plate, and you be able to snag a skid plate from AOMC. All right, guys, appreciate you, and I will keep these walkarounds coming. You guys let me know if I can answer any questions. I'll try to keep an eye on the comment section. I'm Ryan with the MXG channel. See you in the next one.